Does Assurance Wireless work internationally? Technically, yes, but it's not designed for it. Assurance Wireless primarily focuses on providing affordable domestic service in the US. While international roaming is possible, you'll need to manually enable it in your phone's settings. Keep in mind that Assurance Wireless uses Verizon's network, so international coverage depends on Verizon's roaming agreements, which cover around 120 countries. However, it's important to understand that using Assurance Wireless for international travel can get very expensive very quickly. Because the service is designed for low-income users, it may be best to avoid using the service internationally. Roaming charges with Assurance Wireless are high, around $1.99 per minute for calls, 50 cents per text, and a staggering $10.99 per MB of data. There are no daily caps, so costs can escalate rapidly. Key limitations include service only in select countries, drop speeds in rural areas, and potential service suspension for unpaid fees. A better approach is to use Wi-Fi calling whenever possible, or to purchase a local SIM card in the country you're visiting. Also consider alternatives like Visible, which is Verizon's low-cost brand that offers plans with free roaming in some countries. For example, a U.S. tourist in Mexico incurred $250 in roaming fees in just a week, while using a local Mexican SIM would have cost $10 for unlimited data. For international travel, exploring these alternative options is much more cost-effective than relying on Assurance Wireless roaming.